The introduction of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers. The blockchain is setting down deep roots. With this certainty of calculation mastery, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work past 40 hours to make a special digital money that could hold an incentive at a splendid future cost, empowering taking credits, making installments, and all in replaceable neighborhood monetary forms. Before we start with itemized Nexo cost forecast, we should actually look at coin outline. What makes Nexo unique? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives cryptographic money upheld credits to clients. These advances don't need a FICO rating, and this component makes it an alluring choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure a moment credit in 45 plus government-issued types of money. Check total Nexo survey here. After saving, a credit line opens up and no credit check is fundamental. Clients can spend from their credit line whenever by the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards. 1. Scalability of exchanges. 2. Facilitating a smooth joining with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments and furthermore is a wise venture choice. A striking element of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction changes of monetary standards. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their neighborhood monetary standards. Nexo. Technical analysis. Like other digital currencies, Nexo also is generally reliant upon value development and request and supply, and is exceptionally weak, despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists change as they would like to think about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In view of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from $0.558 to $0.987, a significant leap that mirrored an enormous measure of early financial backer interest. Nonetheless, it checked nearly flattish force till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had scaled above 73 cents, however at that point, it confronted a slight rectification and retested the $0.5 mark. Shockingly, in the COVID-19 stage, the verifiable information shows when any remaining monetary standards exhibited a terrible execution, the Nexo cost has displayed soundness, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing an extraordinary flood in energy, with no Nexo cost drop understanding, starting from the start of this current year. Starting from the start of this current year, the cost of Nexo has been persistently rising, and as of late, it has denoted an unequaled high of $4.05. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting $4.05, Nexo cost dipped under $1.5 and presently, it recuperates around the $2 mark with a week-after-week value change of 27%. Nexo price prediction by experts. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a maintainability advantage that impacts Nexo figure contrasted with conventional monetary forms. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around $2.29, with a 24H value change of 0.41% and a 24 hours volume of $12,158,815.42, with a market cap of $1,282,880,480.52. There is as of now a flowing stockpile of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In light of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a drawn-out increment is expected. The Nexo cost guess for 2027 is $9.309. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 306.33%. According to the Estimate Information Examination, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year is over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.20. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo in 2022. Taking into account our Nexo conjecture, specialized examination and market refreshes, many tasks reaching fulfillment by year's end by and large around most exorbitant cost expectation of $5 cannot be precluded for Nexo, making it a productive interest in the cryptographic money market, contrasted with government-issued types of money. Nexo conjecture of cost sounds profoundly bullish in the future, as it has shown a solid consistency. Toward the finish of 2022, the Nexo United States dollar cost could undoubtedly swing around $2.58757, going with trade choices to acquire benefits in Nexo. The future cost of Nexo could cross $2.9346 in 1 year. Nexo figure totally relies upon the value development and opinion. The cost of Nexo could reach $4.77427931 toward the finish of 2022. Being founded on specialized investigation, the cost of Nexo holds positive opinion for the impending months. The Nexo value change might reach $5.61 toward the finish of 2022. Nexo price predictions. 2022 to 2026. In spite of the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2022 to 2026 are unbiased as far as development, the drawn-out standpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There is a ton coming up for financial backers as expressed by specialists. Nexo costs might proceed upwards, crossing $2.75 by 2022 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help and hopeful figures. Nexo price prediction 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, for example 2022. The cost of Nexo also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $2-3 mark in light of cost forecasts. Nexo price prediction 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be really ideal for Nexo for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an estimated possibility of the Nexo crash to $3.61 once more. Nexo price prediction 2024. Yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in view of expectation at the cost of Nexo, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Nexo will run the crypto realm, killing BTC predominance, with a presentation of cost fixed at $3.90.